In this video, we will install the early model master cylinder adapters. Instructions for the late model version are in a separate video. Apply thread lock to the fittings and the master cylinder adapters from the L22C bag. Then install the fittings into the adapters. Use a 3/4 wrench and a 3/8 or 9 mm to tighten the fittings. The size varies between batches of fittings. You do not need to aim the fittings a certain direction at this time. Install the O-rings into the grooves on the adapters. Push the adapters and fittings into the master cylinder. Lubricating the O-rings with a little brake fluid can help slide them in. Then place the retainer on top of the adapters as shown. Use the self-drilling screw to fasten the retainer.